We're having fun at Boston School Forest.
Today is the winter open house at Boston School Forest, where families get to come to the school forest on their day off of school and experience all the winter fun we have to offer. We have cross-country skiing on a very mini loop. We also have sledding out on the sledding hill today. You can also roast us some more at the campfire. You can go indoors and do a winter nature craft. And we also have a $5 lunch deal brought to you by the FFA today.
We're sledding and cross-country skiing to have fun with family and friends. We went cross-country skied and then we went sledding. I had so much fun at both.
In winter, kids don't get enough outdoor time, but being able to bundle up and breathe this fresh air and get the sunshine on your cheeks and to move your body in a healthy way is really important for families in winter.
If you come out in the winter, you can get exercise while having fun. I did 4 laps on cross-country skiing. And I did too, and now we're going to do marshmallows and hot cocoa.
Well, the Boston School Forest is proud to be part of the Stevens Point Area Public School District, and one of the things we try to do really well is making that connection with our community and our families. And so Winter Open House is an opportunity for families to spend that time outdoors here. Stop on out to Boston School Forest for our next event, the Earth Day celebration in April.